This is the time that all the lilacs are blooming, and did you know that you can bring them right indoors so you can enjoy them on your counter? So it's also a great time to prune your lilacs too, because if you do it right after it's blooming or while they're blooming, you're not going to damage any of the buds that'll be forming for next year.
And then what we're going to do is prune this off, and then you can always, I cut a little bit long when I prune flowers for inside, because you can always make it shorter depending on how high you need them in the pot. Then you take off all the other parts. And then we're going to give you the tip on what we call pounding the stem, right?
Pounding the stems, yeah.
And the reason we're doing this is because it opens it up more and gives the water more ability to be sucked into the plant, extending the life. So you just take a hammer and just kind of smash it out like that. It just opens the whole base up, and that gives you more water. And then all you have to do, stick it into the arrangement for more beauty.
And if you want to see a beautiful collection of lilacs, you have to go up to Hulda Klager Lilac Gardens in Woodland, Washington. It is just a stunning sight to see. So go up and take a drive and enjoy the beauty of lilacs.